Parekh. I'm from Rajkot, Gujarat.
Hi, my name is Ree.
Hi, I'm Ratnakar.
Hi, Darshan here.
Hi, I'm Dhananjay. I'm from Mumbai.
Hello, Mangesh here.
Hi, my name is Shlok.
Hi, I am Keval Hiren Kaka.
We are going to climb Gangyatse too. We are very excited. It's the first day, not much to hike.
Super excited and धक भी हो रहा है. But all the best to us. We'll do it.
My journey has already begun from Delhi itself, from that weather issues and cancellation of flights. So really excited and all the best to us.
Very excited, and I hope this trip would be much adventurous.
Super excited. This is my second trek with the high altitude. Let's see how it goes.
Really excited. It's going to be awesome. बस मजा आने वाला है, पट्टे चकने वाले हैं.
ये मेरा first high altitude trek. I mean 6,000 meter first trek. I'm really nervous and excited. Let's see how it goes. Wishing for the best.
I'm heading to Gangyatse 2 with this amazing group of gang of guys and girls. So in few days we'll be on the top. Feeling great. Super excited as usual because I'm heading back to my home. And I just hope that the mountain gods spray us, like bless us with the best weather, best condition, and we all make it to the top. See you guys from the top!
This was going to be my first expedition, Gangyatse 2, which lies in the Marka Valley of Leh Ladakh, standing high at an altitude of 6,250 meters. ये एक्सपेडिशन बियॉन्ड एल्टीट्यूड्स के साथ था, जिसके फाउंडर केवल हिरेन कक्का हैं, जिन्होंने माउंट एवरेस्ट क्लाइंब किया है. एंड पूरे इंडिया में से वो कुछ ही ह्यूमंस है जिन्होंने 8,000 मीटर्स क्लाइंब किया है. जैसे ही हम ले पहुंचे, विच इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज द लैंड ऑफ हाई पासेस, जो इनिशियल 2 डेज थे वो एक्लिमेटाइजेशन के लिए थे. दो हम ऑलरेडी एक दिन जल्दी पहुंच गए थे. वी एक्सप्लोर्ड एंड हाइक टुवर्ड्स द ले पैलेस, जहाँ से पूरे ले सिटी का इतना प्यारा नज़ारा देखने मिलता है. वी चेक्ड इनटू आवर होटल्स एंड द होल डे वी जस्ट मेड श्योर कि हमारे टेस्ट बड्स एकदम सेटिस्फाई हो चुके थे. दिस इज वेयर वी आर हेडेड टुवर्ड्स द शांति स्तूपा, जहाँ से पूरे ले सिटी का इतना प्यारा नज़ारा दिखता है कि पूछो ही मत. Later, when we were back into our rooms, we had our training sessions by Keval sir, where he explained the use of mountaineering equipments. And from today, our expedition was about to start. After having our breakfast and loading our backpacks, we were heading towards Chilling, which was a good 3 to 4 hour drive from the main city.
बोलो अम्बे मातनी जय.
कुछ 3 से 4 घंटों का सफर तय करके हम लेह से निकल के चिलिंग पहुंचे, जहां से हमारे ट्रैक की शुरुआत होने वाली थी.
केवल भाई कहाँ पर पहुँचे हैं? अभी हम हैं सारा में. तो सारा इज अ स्मॉल ब्यूटीफुल विलेज एंड एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे लोकल हाउसेस दे हैव टेकन सस्टेनेबल लिविंग. सो यहाँ पे दे हैव सोलर पैनल्स इंस्टॉल्ड एंड बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल जगह है टू हैव योर लंच एंड रेस्ट. इसके बाद हमारा आज थोड़ा ट्रैक करेंगे हम 1.5 आवर का टिल आवर कैंप. सो या लंच टाइम.
And not only about the top, the journey itself is a beautiful journey.
Drishti, how are you feeling?
Good. Going on.
डे 1 लेह से निकलकर कुछ 4 से 5 घंटे की ड्राइव करके विलेज का नाम क्या था? सीकू. हाँ, थिसेनला विलेज हम पहुँचे. फिर वहाँ से ऑलमोस्ट 2.5 आवर्स का हाइक बोल सकते हैं, नॉट अ ट्रैक. एंड वी आर ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट टू रीच अ कैंप साइट. जस्ट हैव अ लुक.
थोड़ा सा जो शेड दिख रहा है
तो ऑलरेडी टायर्ड.
Yes. भगवान धक्का मारे से.
अच्छा ही लगा.
हाय, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग?
Good. Amazing. Look at the view.
S23.
This was our campsite for the night, and the very first rule is that as soon as you reach the campsite, you never go directly inside your tent. We ended our trek for the day with stretching and played some games. Majority of the time हम हमेशा डाइनिंग टेंट में ही बैठ के बातें करते थे. And you know the best part about being in the mountains is that here we all are meeting for the very first time, and everyone is from different parts of the country. And once you are here, you suddenly become a part of a family, and everyone feels like home, where you are going to be together literally 24/7. We ended our day by stargazing under a blanket full of stars, जहाँ पे आपको एक टूटता तारा हर दूसरे मिनट पर दिखाई देगा. अगले दिन की सुबह होते ही ब्रेकफास्ट करके हम पूरे तैयार हो चुके थे हमारे अगले कैंपसाइट के टूवर्ड्स बढ़ने के लिए.
Good morning. This is our day 2. Good morning. Where are we headed today? Today we started our trek from Tinglaspa, and today we'll be crossing the beautiful Marka village and Hankar village, and we'll be camping at Thachungse. So our end goal is to reach Thachungse.
और आज का सफ़र काफ़ी एक्साइटिंग होने वाला था. कुछ ही देर के बाद हम मार्का विलेज एंटर किए और हम सभी इतने एक्साइटेड थे क्योंकि आज हमें कांग्यात्से का पहला ग्लिम्स दिखने वाला था. और यहाँ पे आप स्टोन्स और पूरे वैली के बीच में जो आप स्ट्रक्चर देखोगे वो इतना मेजेस्टिक है कि सडनली इन द मिडल ऑफ दिस आपको और आपके लाइफ के प्रॉब्लम्स इतने छोटे लगने लगते हैं ना कि पूछो ही.
Follow my hand. So that way, that's Kangyatse, and we can see actually both the summit, Kangyatse 1 and 2. So if you see behind, there's a cone sharp. So that is Kangyatse 1. अच्छा उसके सामने जो थोड़ा सा कर्व हुआ है, so that is Kangyatse 2. So we are going there. So that is the face जो हम climb करने वाले.
Oh wow.
The route towards the base camp was a mix of crossing streams and inclined climb. All this was very exhausting, but the views over here, I guess they balanced it out completely.
Day 3, we woke up at 5 a.m. and now heading for breakfast, and then we'll leave for the base camp.
Whatever happened for breakfast?
I just had 2 theplas and a pancake.
मैं पुड़ीगरी खा रहा हूँ with honey.
मैं थेपला खा रहा हूँ. कच्ची श्लोक and दृष्टि. with चुंदा and अचार.
थेपला.
सोच क्या रहे हो?
Pancakes, achar.
Chunda. Hi, good morning. I'm having thepla and Balaji wafers. Nothing.
हाय बालाजी यहाँ पे भी नहीं छोड़ा.
Good morning, Keval bhai. Good morning. Today's plan is we are reaching base camp, so around 4.5 hours of trek to base camp, and then we'll have a very clear and close look of Kangyatse 2, and then let's see how it goes.
We reached Thachungse around 4:15, which is 1.5 hours earlier than the previous batch, so that's a great accomplishment. Once we came here, the altitude hit quite hard, and then it took about 15 minutes for us to acclimatize. After that, we had water. We put on the trekking gear, and we climbed that mountain.
Over there?
Yeah, we climbed that mountain from there, which is at an altitude inclination of about 40 degrees something. And then we climbed up. There was a flat road. And then we came down, and then things were quite normal. And Shlok did some crazy thing. You might want to ask him, whoever is watching this. Okay?
What did I do? Please tell.
He scared the shit out of us. But now he seems active and energetic. So, all the best for all of us.
Oh. The stone where the majestic view of Kangyatse 1 and 2 is clearly visible. So our next campsite, the base camp, would be somewhere below this ridge, and for tomorrow we have to climb from here and here and here.
As soon as we moved ahead, base camp से कुछ पहले ही एक छोटी सी लेक आती है. We sat here for a while absorbing the beauty of nature. यहाँ सब कुछ इतना खूबसूरत है मानो कि कोई कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन का वॉलपेपर ही बाहर आ गया हो.
We are finally about to reach the base camp. These are my steps. Legit. I'm so exhausted. Almost altitude gain of 1000 meters. The campsite is nearly around 5000 meters. So the oxygen level is already quite low. But yeah, let's see. Weather is good. It's windy and sunny. One last river crossing and then we would reach the base camp. We have come up here from the base camp for acclimatization hike. This is the view. आज किसी
सबका खाना हो गया है क्या? By the way,
give me a good reaction.
After spending one day at the base camp to acclimatize well, the next day we started with a summit push.
How are you feeling?
Good. Let's
Excited?
go. Yeah.
फर्स्ट समिट.
केवल भाई, brief us.
हम लोग आधा घंटा लेट है एंड समिट पुश के लिए जा रहे हैं KY2. लेट्स सी, होपफुली एवरीबॉडी मेक्स इट. या ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. ऑल द बेस्ट टू एवरीवन.
ये ऑप्शन नहीं है रिटर्न होने का. ऊपर कम से कम 7 घंटे का रास्ता है क्रैम्पॉन से लेके ऊपर तक. कहीं पे भी बीच में से रिटर्न आने को नहीं मिलेगा. सो यू हैव टू डिसाइड एट द क्रैम्पॉन पॉइंट. यू आर नॉट फीलिंग ओके, यू आर एग्जॉस्टेड, यू आर टायर्ड, यू आर नॉट एबल टू वॉक, जो भी है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे एक जन की वजह से पूरा टीम रिटर्न नहीं होगा. सो यू आर स्मार्ट इनफ, आपको पता है आपका बॉडी कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहा है. महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. गणपति अप्पा
मोरया.
मंगलमूर्ति
मोरया. हर हर महादेव. Hi, we are at 5650 meters altitude. Almost we are at the Crampon point. We won't be summiting today because half our team has headed down and it is very risky to go up now. Weather is very unpredictable right now. So yeah, turning back for the good. See you guys. Returning back. From the Crampon point. It's a very bitter feeling यार. 5650 मीटर तक आ गए और फिर वापस नीचे जाना पड़ रहा है. बट कोई नहीं, जो है अच्छे के लिए. बट हाँ, विल बी बैक सून. तब तक थोड़ा सनराइज और अच्छे व्यूज देख कर ही.
It was a bittersweet feeling, to be honest, but when we looked back at it around 10 AM or something, the summit area was covered with dark clouds और वहाँ पे ऊपर एक storm था. We didn't realize it then, but little did we know कि जो भी हुआ वो अच्छे के लिए हुआ. Since we didn't reach the summit, we decided to go back towards Leh the same day, as we had enough time with us.
So here we are
We passed the Nivaling campsite. Now we are passing the Kangmarula Pass. That's the pass. We'll be passing that, and from there we'll be reaching Chopda, and from there we'll be taking a bus to Leh.
मुझको